Hi everyone, welcome to Armcandy. So today we've got for you a gorgeous Chloé, and this is the Chloé Paraty in size medium. So this Chloé we've got double top handles here at the top, and then we've also got a longer strap as well attached to these sides. And then if I just show you on the sides, we've got these adjustable side gussets. So if you just flip that, you can open that up and then you can see it makes those side gussets a little bit more extendable, or if you prefer it a bit more cinched in, you can have that little turn lock on there. So we also have zip top closure, so I'll open that up and show you the inside. So in there we've got one main compartment, and then you can see at the back here got one zipped flat pocket there. And then on the other side, we've got one small flat pocket as well, and there's that fabric lining in there as well. So for the condition of this bag, we have called it fair all around. So you can see this leather, it feels really, really gorgeous, and it's beautiful quality. You can see that it's just got signs of wear kind of all over. Show you the bottom as well, that base. See where some of that leather is darkened a bit. It's got kind of marks over the bag. Similar thing with the hardware. You can see that it's this nice gold colour. Perhaps in a few areas it's just discoloured a little bit. And a similar thing with the interior. You can tell it's been used, tell it's been pre-loved. But it's still got a beautiful structure to it, and I think the wear really doesn't take away from it at all. I think it adds to it because it's such a nice leather. The wear to it actually just makes you feel like you want to use it and you want to take it out with you. Yeah, it looks really, really gorgeous. If you love this bag as much as we do, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags that we have to show you. I'll show you the few bits that this Chloé comes with. So we have, we've got Chloé dust bag to keep it protected while it's being stored. And then we've also got 2 product tags for this bag, and then we've got the little Chloé paper envelope, and in there we've got authenticity card, and then we've got the original receipt as well for that Chloé. You can see that there, and then we've also got a little Chloé care booklet so you can look after that beautiful leather as well. So for the exact measurements on this bag, go to the link in the description below. It should hopefully take you directly to this Chloé, and if it does, that's great. It means it's still available, and you can shop from that link. But if it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we do have an email request list, so if you send us over an email and let us know that you love this bag, or you can fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you love this Chloé, and we'll get you on the request list so that you can get an alert as soon as we get in another beautiful bag like this one. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you on me for reference. So I'm size UK 10 and 5'4", and if you wanted to hold it by those top handles, that's a nice option there. Or we've also got this nice long strap as well, so you can have it as a shoulder, or I prefer it, I think, as a crossbody. That sits at quite a nice height, it's quite comfortable to sit there. And this leather, again, on your shoulder feels really nice, it's super, super comfortable. Yeah, very gorgeous. So for more details on this bag, as I said, go to the link in the description below. You'll find loads more beautiful bags, purses and wallets on our website, so have a browse through there. And if you're planning on making a purchase, don't forget you can get your welcome discount code, which you do by signing up to our newsletter, and we'll send you through that discount code in your email. Also on our website, you'll find the How to Sell With Us page, so if you have any bags that you would like to sell with Armcandy Bag Co, get onto that page and you'll find all the details you need to know about selling with us. And that's all I have for you, so we'll see you later with some more Armcandy.